morning, people. Happy morning, people. How are you? Yes, welcome to the first session of CA Final FR Financial Reporting. Alright, so before I dive into the topic, I'll give you an overview as to what we'll be doing, how this session is going to be conducted over the next whatever duration we are supposed to meet. Okay, by the way, my Namakarna is CA Sandesh. CA is something which I acquired later on. Okay, my Mataji and Pitashri named me as Sandesh. Okay, yeah, that's my name. I qualified my CA exams in the year 2012, probably 15 years now. All right, for the first couple of years, I was in the corporate. Since 2015, I'm in this teaching field. Fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know. Yeah, you figure it out. So that's what is my brief profile. I handle accounts at inter and financial management at inter level. At CA final level, I handle financial reporting paper. That's a brief profile about myself. Anything else you want to know? No. It just now started. You start that, then we will see. Yes, no, not so much interesting personality also. Yes, no, correct. Okay, all right. Now getting into the syllabus part. One, I think all of you are aware of this paper pattern, right? Mother body in about 2 to 3 years back, they made a major change called in about 100 marks, 70% is going to be a descriptive paper and 30 marks is going to constitute the MCQ part of it. It's going to be most of the MCQ questions are calculation based. Some could be a straightforward MCQ also, depending on your Vastu, how they ask. But institute has a liberty. As of now, the way, as per my understanding goes, till now, negative marking for the MCQs has not been introduced, but it might come. Sooner or later is what I am thinking. Let us see. For now, before all that gets introduced, let us clear off and become CS. Yeah, not much better. Okay. All right. And the duration of our exam is obviously 3 hours. 3 hours means you're supposed to complete about 100 marks ka paper. That's the paper pattern. Second one is our class material. All of you must have got one PDF. Yes, at least those of you who are in the group must have got it. Right? I asked the person to share in case you have newly got added to the group or not added to the group. So you can add yourself. You can raise a ticket or you can just inform the team. They'll add you. There we will be posting the notes. Right? The notes will be uploaded on that group as well and on the ArivuPro app. So in case you are not on the group, not a big deal. It will be available on the app. From there, you can download and print it. Fine. So now that particular material. Sir, how have you made that, sir? Did you use your creativity? No, sir. You know, Control C, Control V. That's what my creativity is. I have taken ICA study material. Okay. And RTP, MTP and some previous year questions I have taken. The new ones. And Control C from ICA material to Control V into our material. Alright, so that's all it is, nothing much. I have absolutely no credit in the material. It's all ICA source. And that is good enough. Alright, usually to clear funda, that's what I personally followed also. And I would recommend, I'm sure your seniors also would be saying the same thing. Study mat question plus past 2 to 3 attempts ka RTP, MTP questions are more than enough to crack the examination, especially for FR being very, very voluminous. So this is more than enough. So no need to. So that means indirectly you're telling, sir, other than this material, we don't have to refer anything else, sir. Not required. Our materials are sufficient. Okay. So if you cover this, more or less your ICA materials are already covered. All right. The order of the questions may change here and there because every attempt ICA revises their material. They interchange the question numbers and all that stuff. But all the types of questions from ICA material, you will see it in our questions also, our material also. All right. If by chance, if you want to buy these materials, you can go to our website online.arivupro.com. Thereby, you can place the order for it and the books will be delivered to your location. Or anyway, PDF is given, you can print it out on your own. All right. One more thing probably is, which I've created is colored chart book. Okay. Those of you who are from CA intermediate background and joined us for final, you are, I think, aware of this chart book. All right. What is this chart book? It simply looks like this. The reason behind me framing this particular chart book is, sir, not scaring you, just sharing with you. Okay. FR probably currently, the way things stand, FR is probably the most voluminous subject in your syllabus currently. It's about ICA materials, pages if you count. You know, ICA modules, all of you have received, no? Did you bother to open it? Or you kept it like that only? 5 modules, you must have received it. It was 4. I don't know what ICA special liking they have for you people. They added 1 more module only. Okay, from 4, now this time it has become 5 modules. Okay, so if you count the pages, it's roughly, I think, 2700, 2800 pages. One subject, not all the 6. Okay, one. Okay, now 2800 pages ka content on the last day, if you're supposed to read it, would you feel good about it? Would you feel easy in doing it? No. So what I've done is all the concepts, right? Though FR is a practical paper, to solve those practical questions, you need concepts. You need to know, have the knowledge of the IND AS. So all this IND AS ka provisions, I've summarized it into colored chart book. So this will be around 130, 140 pages. Now tell me, 2800 versus the 140 pages. What would you prefer? This one. So that is the intention. So through this colored chart book, you will be able to revise the entire FR syllabus, concept syllabus within 6 to 7 hours tops. Remaining time, you can use it to solve your questions. With that idea, I framed this chart book, and I do this for all the subjects which I handle. So, but as I told, on a sample, it looks like this. And don't need to worry also. It's not that it's mandatory that you have to buy it. There is no problem with that. After each chapter is over, I will revise that whole topic with the help of this chart book. So there will be a video of this colored chart book. So in case you feel, no sir, for you I've paid fees, that is only more, I don't want to buy this book and all, if you feel like that, no issues, you can refer to that video and manage it. Okay, that is personal, your choice. I'll not come between you, your money and your management. Okay, that's the thing. But all these resources, if you want hard copy of it, you can place the order from online.arivupro.com. That's our website. Okay, done. So next, sir, how long we should see your face, sir? Today only boring already. Okay, how long should we see? So roughly you need to see me for 300 hours. Okay, yes. So this time I'm planning to reduce a little bit. Last time we took about 330 hours roughly. So some students will like, sir, that much time is not there, sir. See if you can do something about it. So this time I'm trying few things. So I'm trying to cut short time by 30 to 40 hours. I'll try my best, but that doesn't mean that we can't skip things. It is just that we have to cover the same things, but in a lesser duration. We will try our best and see how it goes. All right. So that's the duration of this whole FR ka syllabus. Next few other pointers is, this is more relevant for our recorded guys. So some of the common questions we used to get, now they've reduced in numbers. Sir, in what order we need to watch the videos? Normally there'll be a dump of videos, many videos, right? All right. So in what order should we watch it? So I've created a file called recommended order for watching the videos. Meaning the way in which this face-to-face and live online class is conducted, no? That order I've mentioned in that PDF file. And the videos also on the app will be arranged in that file only. So even if you don't refer to this file, it is okay. You can just watch the video in the order it is currently available. For your safety, if you want, you can review this PDF once to get to know after what topic you need to watch what particular video. My kind request to you is, don't randomly pick up, especially recorded guys, don't randomly choose a topic and start doing it, because FR as a syllabus, right? It's not like our CA intermediate accounting standards, where many topics were isolated. You can take any topic and revise any topic. So it used to work. But at CA final, we will be studying IND AS, and many IND ASs are interconnected. So randomly, if you pick out any IND AS and start doing, some things I would have told, we have already covered this, and you will not know where it got covered. So that's the reason, since they are connected, I will follow a particular order in covering this class. And I suggest the recorded guys also, you follow the same order, please. That's my request. Rest I leave it to you. Okay. Next one is, sir, you have come to the class with some expectation. What expectation? Person is saying, you do what expectation? We'll see. First day, early morning, 6 o'clock, what expectations we will have? Yes, no. Okay. So reasonable expectation is, teach in a way we understand, and finally we get that degree called chartered accountancy, right? That is your expectation. Okay. Just like you have some little expectations from me, I also have chin to pinto expectations from you. Chotta matta, not big and all. I'm a small person. Small expectations. One, regular to the class. Okay. You attend face to face, you attend live online, whatever mode, doesn't matter. But do come in whatever mode. Because if many syllabus in our FR topic cannot be finished in one day. There are topics which we will take 9 to 10 days to complete. Okay. So now imagine first day ka session you miss, come to the second day. 3 hours ka review, can I give it to you in 3 minutes? Not possible. So you will not understand what happened on the second day. And there is always a connection between the previous day's topic to the next day's topic. In what mode you attend, I will not pressurize you in that. Okay, if you're comfortable coming face to face, first day, or a lot of you have come, so it's nice to see. It's always nice to see the faces in the classes than online. So hopefully this attendance is going to get maintained. My wish, my secret wish. But I can understand early morning, Papa, you have so much of trouble. Papa, you will have your girlfriend, boyfriend problem. If you fight with your girlfriend, boyfriend previous day, next day, this guy's class who will attend. We will sleep. Yes or no? That all trouble and all will come. But either ways, at least log in on the live online mode at least. Whatever mode. Fine. That is one. Regularity. Second one is, sir, daily revision. Okay. As I told, FR is quite voluminous. In fact, FR is one topic where institute already has psychological advantage over you. Because many people will just look at that book and they'll be like, yoppa, 5 modules are. There only they'll be like, sir, this much I cannot, this much I cannot. So institute, no, they don't have to create new questions. If they know that majority of the students will not cover that 5 modules. No matter what it is, when it is, no, they will not review that. So institute knows that. That's the reason they made FR. FR ka game they have played is on the quantum, volume. So FR is a very scoring subject provided you have just covered it once and revised it once. You don't have to break your head on the new questions and all that stuff. Just ICA ka material ka simple coverage is more than enough for you to score exemptions. Okay. But for that to happen, since it is voluminous, it is difficult to remember all of it. Now, like I told you, 300 hours is a duration. So it will roughly go for at least 3 months, right? Now, yesterday, if I ask you what color shirt you wore, what will you say? What a day. You will remember all that. Yes, no. Today's breakfast only we will not remember after 1 or 2 hours. So now, if we live in that wala digital atmosphere where we have information overdose. Too much of information pushed from all direction. Instagramu, that gramu, ask gramu, whatever gramu. Yes, no. All information being pushed means we tend to forget the old things. So same thing happens with our syllabus only. So day 1 ka syllabus, if I ask you on the day 50th, you'll not be able to recall everything. One way which you can make the syllabus easy is at least revise. Majority of the things I'll try to cover in the class only. Everything, solving, gilving and all, we will do it in the class. All you are expected to do is 30 to 40 minutes ka daily revision. That please don't give excuses. My boss today belted me, so that's the reason I have no mood to study. All that you leave. Articleship, yes, is a important part of your career. But do remember, unless you have the degree in hand, nobody will respect you. You would have done your articleship in Big Four, whatever firm, doesn't matter. People in the market will only respect you only if you have that particular degree. So the first priority in my view should always be towards your examination. See, work is important, but work is something which you will have to do even after CA also. It doesn't end. So first put your time and energy, majority of your time and energy into studies. Work you manage, it's okay. But in that time, don't get overwhelmed. Sometimes because this is our first job and all. We'll get too excited. Nam office, our office, yeah, our boss. Yeah, they'll be working non-stop. Early morning 9 o'clock to evening night of 9 o'clock, they'll be in office only. Free coffee, that to this, sipping and chill there only. Yes, your office only, good. You have that respect, that is awesome. Your boss is lucky to have you, correct? But you should also be lucky enough to get that degree. So focus on that. Make sure at least 30 to 40 minutes of your daily time you devote towards your revision. So only 30-40 minutes sufficient, sir? Sir, minimum. Yeah, so it's asterisk mark. Okay, what asterisk mark? If your schedule is so hectic that if you are not able to do anything else, means at least 30 to 40 minutes you revise. If you have some more time, or if you're looking for a rank, or if you're looking to retain the syllabus for a longer duration, a little bit of more practice would be required. That's, I'll leave it to you because I don't know which firm you're working, what is your traveling schedule, etc., etc. But this is bare minimum. That there is no excuse. If you start giving excuses, you will forget the syllabus on the day 1 itself. I'll tell you this. Because it is voluminous, it is difficult to remember everything. Okay, Saru. All right. Next few things is, and this is more relevant for our live online and recorded students. Okay. If you want to, some people say that we have Wi-Fi issues and all. So if you want to download the classes and watch it, though all that features are there on the ArivuPro app. Okay. Right now the classes play on the desktop mode as well as the app mobile application mode. So if you want to download the classes, or if you want to control the speed, quality and all, in YouTube we do know 1.25, 1.5x, so where faculties go, you'll watch that. All that, if you want to do it, such options are available on ArivuPro app. Okay, I suggest that you download ArivuPro app, not marketing. It is just that sometimes what happens, if there is any notification that has come. Now there are 1,000 students, more than 1,000 students across different platforms. We can't keep calling everybody and say, hey, Macha, this has happened, you do that and all that. Difficult, no, right? So that means the only way for us to communicate any changes is through this app notification, okay, or through YouTube mode. That's the only two mode reachable considering the scale of things. So I would suggest be aware of that, okay? Even if you don't subscribe, not a big deal. Okay, I am not much into all that share or subscribe, like, it is your choice. But for your benefit, at least till you clear your examination, be in the portal. Whichever faculty ka class you are taking, be in that particular portal so that you are aware of the information. After that, it's okay. You can exit, absolutely no problem. Okay, now, all right. So that is the things about, or that's what we'll be doing. This is the overview of the things we'll be covering in the next 3 months or whatever. You have any doubts so far, or everything cool? Online mode? Someone is saying, I'm not hearing you only. You are hearing no, mama, Farzana. Okay, cool. Others are fine, right? No issues? Online, no, especially early morning. Hey, wake up. Yeah, send a message. All good till here? Till here, pakkana? Circle odita idin kanasta idya? Sir, no Kannada, sir. Okay, only English. Sir, does all questions will be same as CA Inter, like solving questions in class? Yes, much. Yes, Shweta, we will be doing. No issues. They're saying no issues. Okay, fine. This is the overview of the things, people. Thank you.